Alrighty guys, so welcome back to the giveaway video. We are going to be drawing the winner today, and let's go ahead and do it. So I have a Ziploc container right here, nothing fancy, just in a, just got your names in there. So let's just go ahead and take it out. Not gonna look. Alright, got my name. Let's go ahead and open it. And it is Christian C. So Christian, I will be contacting you soon, and I will be sending you your stuff. Congrats. Alrighty guys, so now I will be giving a shout out to everyone that entered. So first of all, we have Jackson Durham entered the giveaway, so give a shout out to him. We have Cole Miller, MTB, entered the giveaway. Shout out to them. Then we have M Sky Outdoors. M Sky Outdoors entered the giveaway, so shout out to them. Then we have Walter White entered the giveaway. Shout out to them. Then we have Wolf Tick Videos. Shout out to them. Then we have Hannah Franklin. Shout out to them. Then we have Christian C. Shout out to them, and congrats on winning the giveaway. Then we have Daniel McClay. That may not be right, but Daniel McClay. Thanks for entering. Last we have Budget MTB. Shout out to them. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.